In 600 feet, Pie Tap Pizza Workshop bar will be on the right.
So we waited roughly 7 minutes for this order. It wasn't too bad. They just had to get it together. Now we got an 11-minute drive. So go ahead and let's hit the road with me and see how it go.
Driving, wondering how the rest of the night is going to turn out.
One eternity later.
So at this point, the GPS started acting crazy and added another 4 minutes to the drive.
I tried to move fast,
but the customer was faster.
Thank you.
So we in Dunkin' Donuts. I honestly didn't even know they was open this late, but I mean, it is what it is. Let's go. This wasn't a good order. It only paid $6.50 and the drive was 11 miles, but I took it anyways.
I see lights behind me. I really hope I wasn't speeding. Never mind, it was an ambulance.
I thought it was gonna be a drop off at the desk. That walk was kind of crazy. I had to end the night after that order though, so I guess the order stopped at some point, but we back at it early. Time to go get gas. So as soon as I got through getting gas, I caught a flat, but it is what it is. And luckily, I'm a tire fixer-upper, so it only took me about 20 minutes. We back on the road. Let's go. Before I continue to bore y'all, if y'all want to see the rest of this video, go ahead and like and comment, and I'm going to drop part 2.